Hi, I'm Dr. Doug Larson. I'd like to talk to you a little bit today about testing. I am trained very thoroughly in the area of testing. Very few people have the training I have. I went to the University of Oregon, where I was studied under the guidance of Norm Sundberg and Lou Goldberg, who worked with Paul Meehl. You may not know those names, but those are names that taught us to look at testing from a very careful and skeptical eye. On the other hand, we need to have testing. They're great tools, and I've spent a lot of time exploring them, including the MMPI, intelligence test, personality test. When I do an evaluation for you, I'm not going to be throwing in a lot of unnecessary terms, things that don't make sense. I'm going to be to the point, explain what the test indicates, and put everything together so at the end you have a report that makes sense to you, to everyone involved in the case, and gives the guidance we need. Please call me at 1-855-Dr. Larson so we can talk further about how I can help you accomplish your goals with testing.